In this video, I'll show you how to add your printers in ezeep Dash and how to assign those printers to your users. So let's get started. First, go to your drivers page. This is where we'll select our printer driver to be downloaded to the user's machine from the cloud. Click Add Driver, and then select your driver by make and model from the list. Or if it's not in the list, you can always upload the driver yourself using this button. Click Add Driver, and you'll see the driver listed in your drivers. Next, go to Printers. Go ahead and click Add Printer here. Enter the name of the printer, the model, and the IP address of the printer. You can then add the location of the printer, like a floor number or room number, and any comments you'd like to add. Click the Next button. Now select the driver we added earlier. Next, we'll want to assign our new printer to a user or a group of users. Next to Users and Groups, click Add. Select the users you want to assign this printer to, and you can also add entire groups at this step as well. Once you've added all your users, go ahead and click Done, and you'll see the printer listed in your available printers. We can also see that the printer is assigned to the users that we specified. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.